All right, so I recently bought 2 Amazon Monster pallets, and I opened a last one in the last video. Whoa, I don't even know what it is. But I'm left with 1 Monster pallet here that we're gonna unbox. Let's do it right now. At the end of this video, you'll see the best items that I found. This blows my mind. What? The worst items, I just nearly died from boxes crushing me to death. And I'm gonna tally up everything as we go throughout this video so you can see exactly what everything is worth. And I truly do not know what is in any of these boxes other than a couple that I've laid out here. So we're gonna explore and discover all of this together. Let's do it. All right, this very first item I've seen, it says it's a chainsaw. I'm pretty sure it is a chainsaw, but let's go ahead and open it up just to double check. And yes, it is indeed a chainsaw. You can see the chainsaw cover, and then the chainsaw is in there. The box is kind of mangled here, pretty much like a brand new chainsaw. So look at that, in the packaging and everything. I've got the chain there. So how much does the chainsaw go for is the question. All right, this particular chainsaw looks like it goes for $110. It's only a 12-inch chainsaw, so a little bit smaller. All right, we'll take this nondescript box. All right, this is something new. This is a faux here ice maker. Now, this box is upside down. I should have opened it the other way. All right. This is a faux here ice maker, a different model than I had gotten on a previous pallet. It looks like this ice maker is selling for $159 on the faux here website, so a good little pickup. All right, this one is heavy. Boy, this box is a little bit mangled. All right. Some sort of appliance. I can't tell if it's used or if it's just, you know, dusty from being in storage. It's another faux here brand product. Frozen drink maker. Wow. This says it's a slushy maker and it sells for $359. That's incredible. So I better be gentle with this thing. Just put it in like so. Okay, I have a feeling these might also be ice makers. This is indeed a faux here ice maker, $159. Faux here ice maker, boom. And I'm guessing this box looks exactly the same. I'm guessing this is also another faux here ice maker. Yes, that is exactly what it is. It looks to be new with packaging, another $159. I'm liking this pallet so far. This seems to be a better pallet. Now, I forgot to mention at the beginning of this video, the last pallet that I opened was worth $3,775, but a lot of the products seemed kind of cheap. Some were broken. Questionable whether I could really sell a lot of those. I paid $700 for this pallet as well as the last one. I'm hoping this one is better. We'll see if we can break $4,000 with this pallet. Okay. This, we had one of these. It's a little, like storage cabinet, little utility cart type thing, hat and shoe rack. We're gonna put about $40. It's a cheap, no name, can't find the brand. Temu. Now this is one that I've been excited about. This one I peeked in before, so I know what it is. We have an electric scooter and all the wheels and everything are in there, but we have not one, but 2 electric scooters. This one is an iScooter. So $99 for this one, $99. And this one is an Electo Orange scooter. The Electo Orange scooter is $179. I have to confess, I did take a peek at this one. This is some wall art, as you can see there. Let's see if we can find it on Amazon. Not bad, 39 bucks. We'll see if we can actually sell that. Okay, got another nondescript box. Something that's packed up well. Is it another ice maker? This appears to be another faux here ice maker. So another $159. Faux here, faux show. Another big box. Oh, this is some sort of dog crate or something. It looks like it's either been used or just real dirty from the warehouse that it was sitting in. Foldable playpen, $60. So that's gonna require a lot of work on. Okay, this one is a faux here air fryer lid. I had one of these on the last pallet. This one is $65. All right, a couple of U-line boxes. I don't know what this is. No description on these boxes. Complete mystery. It's one of these Julius juicers. And we got a few of these. I think they were $45 each. And since this box is right next to it, I was thinking that it might be a juicer, but it's not as heavy. So maybe it's something different. It is something different. It's also a faux here brand humidifier. There you go. A faux here humidifier, $29. So that's all right. We'll take it. All right, this box, a vibration plate. I'm not sure I know exactly what a vibration plate is, other than I know it's for exercise. These are selling for about $100, about 99 bucks is probably what most people are selling them for. So this box was on the very top. So I actually saw this when we first got the pallet. We kind of peeked through it. These were in here. There's like 4 or 5 different assorted items. These are pretty cool. These are brand new tool sets. Brand new tool sets. And one is yellow like this, and this one is pink. It's got brand new box cutter. I'm tempted to start using this. So depending on the brand, which it's difficult to identify, these go for anywhere from $40 to $80. So maybe we'll put a value of $50 on both of these. Also in this box is a Fantic air compressor. These things go for $99 each. I have something similar. You fill up your tires, your basketballs, anything that needs air. It's a little mini air compressor. Pretty cool. And then in here is a Fantic more deluxe version. Pickup tire inflator, power station, and flashlight. This one looks like it goes for $149 new, but it looks like it's been taken apart. So I'm not sure what the value is there. I'm gonna have to put it back together and see if it works. And then we got a gas can. I don't know, we'll say 10 bucks. And then also in this same box are like Halloween decorations. These are, yeah, like headstones. So these go for $12.99 each. I've got 2 of them. I'll take it. Now let's see if there's anything else worthwhile. Okay, I am worried that this stuff's gonna fall over. Ooh, I don't like the sound of it. This box is absolutely destroyed and it's super heavy. I don't think I'm gonna like what I find inside. Some sort of rack, something that needs to be built and put together. This may never go back in the box. It was basically never in the box. So it's like a cage of some kind. I would say like a metal cage, almost like a dog kennel kind of thing. Could be anything. So this appears to be a Vivor storage shelving unit, 5-tier, $125. So I could use it here in the garage, or I could sell it. Okay, ow, oh, right at the end, pinched my finger. All right, now this, I think, is a pet playpen, size 31.5, 26.7 inch. So this is indeed a white metal playpen, sells for $75. Boy, that's a big box. Automatic litter box. Well, let's find out if that sounds cool. I love automatic litter. All right, this says that it's a Niakasa M1 automatic litter box. This is, I mean, I've never seen an automatic litter box, but if I were to imagine it, it would look just like that. Is that right? It doesn't quite look like that. Well, maybe it does. What? This automatic cat litter box sells for $499. This blows my mind. $499. What? Dude, that just like paid for the pallet. That says vibration plate on it. Oh, I'm getting dirty. This is indeed a vibration plate. It looks like it's about $99. I'm liking this pallet so far. We've got a vanity box. Is this what I think it is? No. Oh, it's a little wagon. Vanity camping wagon. There it is. These look like these go for about 35 bucks. All right, it's in good shape. We'll take it. Am I smarter than the wagon? No. Oh, you just gotta be stronger than the wagon. Bye now. For here. So I pulled 2 boxes off. They both look to be like food dehydrators. Yashi brand, I think, on both of these. So let's make sure. Brand new in packaging. I'm gonna assume it's a food dehydrator. And this also appears to be a brand new in packaging food dehydrator. Nice. Great find. 149 bucks each. Okay. That looks heavy. I mean, it even says team lift. I don't like team lifts. All right, this says, or at least has a picture of a ladder on it. So I'm assuming it's a little step ladder. Step ladder. Woo! $60. All right, this guy looks heavy. It's gonna be a canopy. I've seen these, I have one. Pop-up canopies are going for about $60. Nice. All right, so I had another shelving unit. This is the second one. The first one is under there. Exact same, 5 shelving unit, $129. Okay, this massive box is not that heavy. And I have no idea what's in it. It's in a nondescript UPS box. What do we think? What do we think? Is that a blanket? I don't know exactly. Maybe a sleeping bag? Ugh. Is that a camping chair or a... What in the heck? Oh, it's a hammock. It's a hammock, I think. I'm assuming this goes on here. Boom. That looks cozy. I could go camping in this, baby. Okay, let's clarify. This is not a hammock. It's a cot. It's a cot. I knew that. Depending on the brand, these go for $70 to $90. Not bad. $70 to $90, this bad boy. Jeez. Whoa. I just nearly died from boxes crushing me to death. Good catch. Okay, well, hopefully there was nothing breakable. Ugh, this business is so inefficient. It's unbelievable. Team lift. Let's get to the fender flares. I'm assuming these are indeed fender flares. Who needs the box? These are fender flares for a Ford F-150 pickup. These go for approximately $139. Not bad, not bad. Okay, we've only got 4 boxes. All right, the fender flares, I just re-looked those up because we have the actual brand, Yita Motors. It's $192 on Amazon right now. Nice. This box is massive. Okay, I can't tell what it is yet. Some sort of shelving unit or bathroom unit might be difficult to find. It's made out of really nice material though, it seems like.
A few moments later.
This one's difficult. It's some sort of shelving unit, maybe, bathroom cabinets. We'll just put 50 bucks value on it. It's gonna take a while to figure out exactly what this is.
Later.
Here we go, here we go, here we go. After doing some searching, this is a cabinet and makeup table. Okay, this is actually, whoa. These are saying like $700-800. Yeah, from what I'm seeing on Amazon, it's a smart makeup vanity desk with mirror. They're selling for $700 or $800. It does feel like it, I mean, it's nice finish. Looks like a nice thing. So I don't know if it's really worth that much or I could sell it for that much. Some of these are definitely listed at $1,200 or more. We'll put a value of $500 on this one, but I think it's probably worth $700. That's incredible. Okay, there's only 3 more boxes. Woo! So this one, I think I'm gonna trust that this is what it actually is. It's really heavy. It's similar to what we just opened. I think it's another vanity desk with mirror, but this one has sort of this credenza piece to it. So it's actually a little bit bigger than that one. I'm gonna try and figure out what it's worth. Okay, so to the best of our ability, this is about $277. So not quite as nice as the last one, actually. What we have here appears to be a treadmill. That absolutely is a treadmill. New in packaging, a treadmill. Okay, this appears to be more of a under the desk walking treadmill. So it's a little bit lower end than a normal treadmill, but this still goes for $129. Not bad, not bad at all. It's not a huge score, especially for how heavy it is. All right, oh my goodness. It's heavy, but not crazy heavy. All right, this is the very last product. As you can see on the box, it says it's a pet hutch. That's what it's supposed to look like. Got the dimensions. I'm gonna just open it up to verify that's actually what it is. What the heck? It's like a bunch of like sand or something. I don't think I wanna pull that out. Took us a little bit to find it, but it's selling on Target.com right now for $239.99. It's the exact model. You know, I'd probably discount it to try and sell it, but it's valued at $239.99. All right, so we just finished unboxing the pallet. We ended with a lot of really heavy stuff that I'll be honest is gonna be hard to sell online. We'll definitely do it locally, Facebook Marketplace, garage sales, etc. But we have a tally of everything in this pallet, what it's worth. And the total is $4,801. So we did a lot better with this pallet than we did on the first pallet. And I'll be honest, I think the stuff was a little bit better as well. I felt like the first pallet, a lot of it is really cheap or is gonna be hard to sell. This feels like more solid items that we will be able to sell. After fees, to buy the pallet, that's $700. I'm gonna probably discount everything by quite a bit. So take the $4,800, multiply that by 60%, and that'll get you close to what I expect my actual revenue after fees, you know, listing, etc. So that still will leave me with, you know, almost $2,000 in net profit after I subtract all of the pallet fees and everything else. So I feel a lot better about this pallet. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you did not see my first unboxing video, watch that right here. Otherwise, I hope you guys subscribe to the Niche Pursuits YouTube channel. Thanks again for watching.